Now, I love land. I love real estate and I love property. I built my business over the course of the years in basically finding good properties that make money. Some individuals invest into properties that are liabilities. I invest in properties in areas that create income streams. There's so many different ways of making income from real estate, but it just takes those different ways of learning. Whether it's you want to be a property manager, whether you want to flip properties, being a real estate agent. There's so many different ways, and you have to really kind of get really good on doing some of the different things to do it. It's not just one way. A lot of people say it's one way. There's not. It's multiple different ways you make money. And if you want to learn more about how you can get into real estate and make money, my name is Renee Manfrey. Look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.